Hi guys, here at Hi guys, here at
Saxilby.
Saxilby Station Level Crossing in Lincolnshire with
Lincolnshire.
Shane and Joe Thorpe, who is actually filming there.
You on Bandicam?
Yeah, I'm on Bandicam.
Mm.
This is apparently for our. Let's bring up RTT real quick. It's for a freight train to Humber, and I believe a pacer from Sheffield or something. I'll just go get my phone real quick. Okay, so I have my phone. I can quickly bring up RTT. Freight train should be along any sec. So.
The freight train's already gone.
Oh, so we're waiting on pacer. Or whatever.
It was 66,714 to 66,705 to Felixstowe.
There's another one to Humber apparently, round
Where?
about this time.
Alright.
Saxilby.
I've heard the track vibrating.
So there is something coming.
Oh,
Hurry
we
up.
got a pacer coming from Lincoln.
There's a 142.
The 144, isn't it?
No, it's a 142. That'd be
142027 to Sheffield!
once it's right. 142.27 to Sheffield.
142027 to Sheffield. Oh, 66,732 to...
66 132 to Humber. That's what he means. Jesus. Pacer was 2 minutes early.
And here comes the end of 66 132 to Humber.
Jesus.
And
Any sec.
up they go.
Ugh. Who would have thought? Not me.
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.